Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a super common question. How do you actually change your name on Facebook? Whether you've gotten married, want to go by a nickname, or just made a typo way back when, it's a pretty straightforward process. So let's dive right in. Alright, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up your Facebook app. Make sure you're logged into the account whose name you want to change. Once you're in, look for the menu icon. It usually looks like 3 horizontal lines, and you can find it either at the top right if you're on an Android device, or down at the bottom right if you're using an iPhone. Tap on that. Now scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on that to expand the options. Host. In the expanded menu, you'll see Settings. Go ahead and tap on that. This will take you to your account settings. Next, you're looking for something like Personal and Account Information, or sometimes just Account Information. Tap on that. Here you'll see a few options, and the very first one should be Name. Tap on Name. Okay, now you're on the screen where you can actually change your name. You'll see fields for your first name, middle name, which is optional, and last name. Go ahead and carefully type in the new name you want to use. Double check for any typos. You don't want to have to change it again too soon. Once you're happy with your new name, tap the Review Change button down at the bottom. Facebook will usually show you a preview of how your new name will appear. You might see a couple of different display options, like first name, last name, or last name, first name. Choose the one you prefer. Now, for security reasons, Facebook will ask you to enter your password to confirm the change. So go ahead and type in your Facebook password. Once you've entered your password, tap Save Changes. And just like that, your name on Facebook has been updated. See? It's a pretty simple process. Now, there are a couple of things to keep in mind when changing your Facebook name. Facebook has certain policies about names, so make sure you're using your real name or a name you go by in everyday life. They generally don't allow things like symbols, unusual capitalization, or misleading names. Also, Facebook usually has a limit on how often you can change your name, so make sure you're happy with the new name before you save it. You might have to wait a certain period before you can change it again. So there you have it. A quick and easy guide on how to change your name on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Do you have any other Facebook questions? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.